Hey there. Let me say something that might annoy a few people. Most IT projects don't fail because of bad developers or bad tools or even bad managers. They fail because nobody actually knew whether they were running a project or just doing random work with deadlines slapped on it. And that confusion, that's where budgets die, timelines explode, and people quietly start updating their LinkedIn profiles. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth: project management didn't come from corporate nonsense, it came from pain. 100 years of humans trying to build, bigger, faster, and more complex things, and failing in very, very expensive ways. Look, about 100 years ago, we started building stuff that was way too complex to actually wing it, right? Skyscrapers, airplanes, power plants, and later, software systems that talk to other software systems that nobody fully understands. At some point, people started noticing something interesting. All of these disasters, all of these projects or stuff they were building had the same problems. They were part of different industries, but they had the same headaches. Nobody agreed on what we were building. Nobody knew when it would be done. Nobody knew how much it would cost. And the risks? Well, yeah, those showed up right on launch day. That's when people started realizing this isn't a mess or a chaos. This is a pattern. And that pattern is what we now call a project. Now, look at the screen for a second. This definition matters way more than people think. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. That one sentence alone can save you years of career pain. So let's look at temporary. Temporary doesn't mean short, it means it has a start and an end date. You form a team, you plan the work, you build the thing, then everyone moves on. If the work just continues forever, day after day, that's not a project. That's operations. And here's where companies mess up. They treat operational work like a project, or worse, projects like operations. That's when stress quietly leaks into everything. Now, here's where the real nightmare begins. A project is unique, which means, brace yourself, you don't know everything upfront. One or more of these is unclear at the start: scope, schedule, budget, and risks. And when you don't know, you need a system. That's why project management exists. It's not for paperwork or certifications, but to actually help humans deal with uncertainty without setting your money on fire. In a minute, I'm going to show you this single question that's going to instantly tell you whether you're dealing with a project or you're just pretending. All right? And once you see it, you'll never unsee it. Now, here's the mental shortcut I use in the real world. If you do something once and you don't know how long it will take, well, that's a project. If you do it again and again and again, and you now know exactly the time, cost, and risks involved, well, congratulations, it's no longer a project. And here's the punchline nobody tells beginners: project management helps most when you don't know what you're doing yet. That's not actually a weakness, that's a reality, and project management helps with that. Now, I once watched a software rollout burn 6 months because leadership said, "We've done this before." Well, they hadn't. They hadn't done something similar. They had different users, they had different risks, they had different integrations, and they skipped planning and they treated it like a process. And boom, production outage, emergency calls, and a very, very tense steering committee. This is why strong project managers still clear $100,000 globally, even in an AI world, Because tools don't manage uncertainty. People who understand systems, they do. AI can help you execute faster, but it can't tell you what kind of work you're actually doing. So there's strategy, there's judgment. That's PM work. Quick question, and be honest. When a project fails, is it usually because leadership treated a project like a process, or because the PM didn't push back hard enough? Tell me which one and why in the comments below. All right, burn this into your brain. Projects are temporary. Projects are unique. And project management exists to help you navigate uncertainty before it becomes chaos. If you remember nothing else, please remember that. Look, I've spent over a decade in the trenches of project management. I've seen smart people fail because nobody slowed down to define the work. That's why I'm giving away this training and these tutorials away for free. If you want skills that don't disappear when the next tool drops, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. We're just getting started.